Adopting a zero-trust strategy allows organizations to prevent unauthorized access, reduce the risk of lateral movement, and protect sensitive data. The following best practices provide a clear path to building and maintaining a strong zero-trust architecture. 1. Define network perimeters. Segment trusted and untrusted zones to control and monitor traffic. 2. Classify sensitive data. Identify critical data and apply appropriate protections. 3. Map data flows. Understand how data moves to detect weak points. 4. Enforce contextual access. Grant access based on user identity, device, and behavior. 5. Strengthen identity and access management. Use multi-factor authentication, least privilege, and audit logs. 6. Implement microsegmentation. Isolate systems to limit the spread of attacks. 7. Keep systems patched. Regularly update and test systems for vulnerabilities. 8. Automate threat response. Deploy SIM tools for real-time detection and action. 9. Secure application access. Use SSO, MFA, and risk-based controls. 10. Continuously monitor and adapt. Use analytics and AI to evolve your defenses. To learn more about implementing zero-trust strategies to protect your sensitive data, please visit kiteworks.com.